Hey everybody, it's Ben. I just wanted to show you something real quick because I'm excited about it. I just got my Generac PWRcell system installed. I did the full setup with the battery here. There's the inverter. I shot a bunch of footage for the battery, so I'll show you how I installed it later. But what I'm really excited about right now is that we are in islanding mode, and that basically just means off grid. But what's pretty cool here is you can see we're charging at almost 5,000 watts to the battery. And it looks like the power is coming from the house, but we're off grid right now. However, the system is grid forming, and it actually allows my off-grid micro-inverters to kick on. So this is 5,000 watts of solar that we're making, and we're charging the battery with it. So grid tie only solar panels charging our off-grid battery. Very, very cool. The only downside of this is, oh my God, perfect timing. I think we just hit my my maximum. I was just gonna say there has to be somewhere for the power to go. So it's a AC coupled system, but it's not perfect. Right then, we were hitting the top end of what the battery was designed to take. I'll keep you posted.